Hello Navigator. In this video I am going to show in JRC 9201 model ECDIS how you can switch on scale minimum and when should you switch on scale minimum. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Go to menu and then go to view, then go to option, then choose from here chart common. Okay, then here you can see scale minimum option here. Now I am on a monitoring mode of the passage, that's why I kept it on. You can see this is switched on now, scale minimum is on. So if you want to switch off, this is how you can switch off. What is the change? Let me show you the changes. Okay, okay, scale minimum was selected, that means it was on. As I am on a monitoring mode now, as I am on passage monitoring mode, I should keep it on so that I see less information here. I don't want to see unnecessary information. That is the purpose. That is the purpose of scale minimum. Let me show you again from option, chart common, scale minimum is on. So now I supposed to see less information. If I keep it off, that means I will be able to see more information. You can see I can see some other data as well. It's added. Again I am going to scale minimum. So I believe you can see the changes here. It is not only the changes is not only for the land side, it is also for the sea side as well, but it is here very remarkably shown on the land side changes. But anyway, now guys, let me tell you about when you should keep it off. That means you need all the information. When should you keep it off? Here one point to be understood very well first, which is when you keep this scale minimum on, it means it will show, the ECDIS will show minimum information, and when you use the scale minimum off, that means you don't use the tick mark, that time it will show all the information whatever scale you use. So it is related with the scale of the chart projection, is whether you want to see all the information or you don't want to see all the information. When you do the passage plan before monitoring stage, you need all the information, especially in appraisal stage. I mean, you need all the information. That is why you should never use scale minimum on while you do the passage plan at the beginning stage or at the appraisal stage. So inspector may ask you when you use this scale minimum on or when you use scale minimum off. You should reply to him, I use scale minimum when I am on the monitoring stage, and I don't use scale minimum when I do the passage plan at appraisal stage. That time I need all the information. Why you do this? Because at that stage I need all the information. So that's it. I do have another videos regarding the scale minimum. I believe if you need more information, you can watch that video as well. Thank you so much for watching today. See you in next video.